What's going on, guys? We're back, and today you'll never guess what we're doing. Hold on, where's my tripod? So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching my sister a backflip, but like for real this time, because last video it did alright, but I think people actually thought I taught her a backflip, but it ended up she didn't do it. We're going to attempt that one more time. Also, it's cold. Actually, it's not even that bad. What the... So basically last time when we tried teaching her a backflip, what happened was she like attempted it, she just couldn't land it. So this time we're just gonna be teaching her how to land it, because I'm pretty sure she'll get it within the first like 10 minutes. But her abs hurt, so I don't know what's happening. But yeah, today's been like the only nice day of the whole week, and it's like I still have to wear pants, which kind of sucks, but I mean, we'll take it, right?
Yeah.
Also, this was filmed in front of a live audience. See, this is what she can do as of now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be a long, hard video. Let me get a warm up first. Form 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Okay, she died already, so looks like we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so this is gonna be your guys' angle. Hope you like it. Blah. Okay, so what she's gonna do, she's gonna start with a back handspring, kind of like last time, and then maybe if she gets that far, then she'll go to the back flip. Oh, see, that was so easy. I helped her a lot on that one, so we're just gonna like slowly get less help. Also, this is a lot less padding than we had last time, so she's slowly coming over the fear. All right, so I'm gonna spot her a little bit less this time. That was a little bit less power, but that'll work. All right, I'm just gonna do like a little bit of leg this time, and then we'll see how that goes.
Dogs are gonna come jumping.
So that was pretty easy. So I think now we're just gonna go to the back.
Oh my god. Oh, I can't do it. No, it's so much pressure because Ab's gonna throw me over.
Okay, well, she didn't want to do it, so I'll do a flipping at it. Here you go. So, I think I could double the scoot cork, but two things. I'm scared, number one, and number two, I've never double cork. Maybe I'll go scoot full, and then I'll see how that is, and then maybe another video I'll do scoot double full. Alright, scoot full. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Okay, we're done and we're going inside now. Inside we go. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know in the comments if I can double cork, or well, let me know in the comments if I can scoot double cork, because I want to try that next, and maybe I'll go to a cheer gym for it. I don't know. And make sure to leave a like, and yeah, bye.